Aircraft disposal in afterburner, running in the Eurofighter Typhoon FGR4. So, Nathan, accelerating the Typhoon to around somewhere in excess of 500 miles an hour. He'll be setting somewhere around 500 feet before heading away from us to the barrel roll. There he goes, barrel rolling away from us before setting up for a pass including in excess of 5 rolls along the line. He'll be rolling them through fewer than 1,890 degrees and then braking away at some 600 miles an hour, pulling around 9G as he does so. Nathan Scheuer is a flying instructor on number 29 Squadron at RAF Coningsby, which acts as the operational conversion unit for the Typhoon force. He actually holds a bit of RAF history to his name because he was the last new pilot to be trained on the Tornado GR4. Typhoon repositions for a moment, I have a message for you. Due to some logistical challenges, there's a possibility, I'm afraid, that the red arrows will be unable to display this afternoon. We'll let you know once the Typhoon display has concluded. Very active combat asset for the RAF at present, and particularly topical right now are the air policing missions that the force undertakes on behalf of NATO. The Typhoon squadrons, based both at Coningsby and at RAF Lossiemouth in Scotland, have been regular contributors to Baltic and Icelandic air policing, and they've carried out multiple deployments to Eastern Europe since the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Showing us the upper surface of the Typhoon initially, before entering into an inverted pass and pushing up into a negative G half Cuban. Once again, negative G, so uncomfortable for the pilots, but he's now pulling through. Accelerating into a high-speed pass. But now, it all goes much slower, and Nathan will be bringing the Typhoon back in at just 120 knots, which is right on the lower limit for this aircraft, right just above its stalling speed. Of course, he's assisted very much in this by the digital fly-by-wire control system. But out of this, he'll be punching in the reheat on the two EJ200 engines and showing us just how quickly the aircraft can accelerate, because he'll be climbing into a slow speed loop. Typhoons have been involved in on air policing. In just 6 days, from the 7th of June, Typhoons stationed at Malbork in northern Poland conducted 6 scrambles against Russian aircraft on enhanced air policing. Just called. So running in for one more time, down to 100 feet, afterburners engaged, accelerating to some 600 miles an hour. Squadron leader Nathan Scheuer from number 29 Squadron with the Eurofighter Typhoon FGR4. Back to his base at RAF Coningsby. Meanwhile, just in case you missed my previous announcement,